Galax Pro Rotary Toolkit comes with around 40 accessories to meet your different demands. You are allowed to employ this for engraving, polishing, rust removal, cutting, and so on. It has 6 rotary speeds that can focus on different tasks. The no-load speed is up to 32,500 RPM. In addition, the integrated 135 watts copper motor provides good conductivity. And the heat dissipation design ensures a longer serving duration for you. Moreover, the installing process is even easier thanks to the spindle lock design and the instruction, which our Rotary Toolkit provides you with a great tasking experience. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Attachment compatibility. This can be used with all Galax Pro rotary tool accessories and attachments. Number 2. Optional flex shaft. Ideal for tasks that require a long and steady hand operation. And it allows fingertip control to engrave. Number 3. Fixed frame and extendable stand. With the fixed frame, the extendable stand can adjust the height freely according to the requirements of carving, making carving more convenient and labor-saving. Number 4. Versatile rotary tool. The 135 watts rotary tool can easily cut, sand, grind, carve, polish, engrave, sharpen, drill, or smooth workpieces for any home improvement or crafting job you can dream of up. Number 5. 6 adjustable rotation speed. This rotary tool is equipped with a thumbwheel speed switch. Switch up the speed between 8,000 and 32,500 RPM depending on the task at hand. By adjusting the speed, you can make delicate engravings on wood, glass, metals, plastics, tile, and other materials with control easily. Number 6. Quick accessories change collet lock button. The rotary tool built-in collet enables accessories to be attached easily and quickly with almost no downtime. Number 7. Comfortable grip and lightweight. Rubber over molded ergonomic soft grip helps to reduce vibration, giving you optimal handling and control while working. Lightweight design prevents fatigue for long-time use. Number 8. What you get: 1 rotary tool, 40 accessories, 3 attachments, 1 Allen key, 1 carrying case, 1 user manual, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.